It's Quick Fix Friday and I'm just going to have a quick look at a problem I'm getting where I'm getting really bad condensation in the car. I'm having to open up the sunroof every time it's dry just to vent it all through. So I'm going to have a look at the drain plugs, which I don't know how well you'll be able to see this on the camera, but essentially down here in the corner are some drain holes down at the bottom, and I'm just going to see if they are free draining or not. So I've got a jug of water, I'm going to pop it down here and just fill up the gutter rail inside and see if that water leaks away or not. And what I'm looking for is the water coming down there we go, bingo. So you can see it's draining out through the drain hole, so that side's absolutely fine. Wasn't expecting a little puddle there, interesting, but that's also fine. That's probably just come off the roof, to be fair. Let's have a look on the other side. Right, good. I can see it coming down one side, and yeah, it's coming down the other side as well. It's not coming down quite as quickly on this side, so I think I have got a bit of a blocked gutter. However, that is not the problem causing me my condensation issue. So at least I've eliminated that. It might be some dodgy seals around the windows. It might just be the fact that it's still quite damp, and so the actual moisture in the car is steaming up. So I'll just continue to wear it and continue to isolate and look for problems. My next step to try and fix this properly will be to rig up a garden hose and sit inside the car and just get somebody to spray, probably one of the kids will probably quite enjoy it, spray different parts of the windows and sit inside and see if I can see where it's coming in. So there you go. I haven't actually fixed anything on Quick Fix Friday, but at least I've eliminated one of the problems. Catch you on the next video. Bye bye.